boys and girls. Today we're going to continue with our writing lesson. Yesterday I began to write a story, and many of you did the same. But did I finish my story? No. Did you? Today I'm going to show you what writers do when they have more to say. Who remembers what the first thing I did yesterday was? Right, I had to think about what I wanted to write about. And if you remember, I thought about my daughter Amber, and she wanted to ride a roller coaster. What did I do after I come up with my idea? Yes, I sketched. I just drew a quick picture. I used a bubble picture, and I did it very quickly without coloring. And then what did I do? That's right, I wrote some words. So yesterday I thought about my story, then I sketched my story, and then I wrote. I didn't write much, did I? No, I need to add more. So today I'm going to add more to my story. But first, I have to reread my story to help me remember exactly what I wrote about. So, I'm going to show you my story. Okay, listen as I reread my story. Amber wanted to try riding a roller coaster. Okay, so I reread my story, and I want to tell you more about my story because there's more to tell. I'm going to add another sentence. After Amber wanted to try riding a roller coaster, but guess what? Amber, so I'm going to write another sentence. Amber was afraid to try. Readers write sentences that tell how they feel a lot of times. So, let's think about what good writers do. Okay, yesterday we said a good writer thinks about what they're going to write about. Then a good writer sketches a picture. Then a good writer writes. What did we do today? Right, the first thing we did today is we reread our story. So you have to reread your story. That means go back and read it again so you will remember what you wrote. And then I added more to my story, didn't I? So I'm going to write add more to my story. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is to find your story that you started out writing yesterday. I'd like you to take that story out, and you're going to do what I did. I want you to look at the picture. Okay, look at your picture. I want you to think about what you're writing. I want you to reread your story. Reread your story, and then I want you to add another sentence to your story. Okay? Add another sentence to your story. When you're finished, I want you to find someone in your house to read your whole story to again. Okay? When you're finished, we're going to be working on some bubble people again.